Look at yourself. Look. Hey guys, I think I haven't spoken in this vlog yet. I got used to not talking in my vlogs. Oh my god, no. Last vlog I wasn't talking in it. It was like on purpose, but I want to speak. I have a lot to say. So basically I'm melting this ice cream because ice cream hurts my throat. Like, I love cold things, but I just can't handle it. Like, every time I eat something cold or drink something cold, I get throat pain and then I regret it. So I'm gonna wait for this to melt. It's super hot outside, so it's gonna melt in a second. And I feel like tanning a bit. Since it's windy, I'm not gonna feel as hot as usually, so I might wear my swimming suit and like tan for a bit. So forget about the whole tanning plan. I have to go get my sister from work, and I think it's gonna be too late when I come back, so yeah, no, that's not gonna work. Well, you gotta go make things so complicated. Guys, it's been 10 minutes. She's usually not that late, but I guess today it's so crowded. Like, I can see so many cars behind me, like parking, and so they're probably going to the pharmacy where she works. So yeah, and there's so much traffic. So I did a little lip routine while I was waiting. Just my lips have been so dry because of the weather, so I applied some Vaseline and some of my Rare Beauty. By the way, that was the air conditioning, and it's so loud because it's so hot. It's currently, like right now, 40 degrees, not Fahrenheit, Celsius. 40 degrees. Just imagine how hot it is. And it's gonna get hotter every day. It can go up to 50 sometimes, which is like hell. So, a quick what's in my bag while we're here. I have this Polaroid that my boyfriend's niece, she took of me. It's super flu, like you can barely see me, but it's so cute, so I keep it with me. I have my sister's here. Well, you're not gonna get to see what's in my bag. I have a water because it's super hot. Finally, I'm talking to the vlog because I'm bored. Like a G6, like a G6. Now I'm feeling.
You're staying on your...
Ah, marshmallows.
Best one.
So I'm gonna be trying olives with lavender and herbs, just because it looks good. So this is what it looks like. And by the way, the seed is inside. This is a bummer. I hate seeds. I hate just having to spit the seed. It's so good. It's not sweet, it's salty, obviously. Guys, here's the cake of Mellow. I found a tiny candle and I cut the cupcake because it's too big for him. Like, he's already overweight, so I had to cut it into a smaller piece. This is how big this piece is. And I think that's enough because, yeah, that's already a lot. By the way, I tasted the cake. It's not bad, but it's just needs sugar, but there's obviously no sugar in this. Hello. Ow! Poked me. Nice. We have tofu. We have kimchi. We have kimbap. Yopoki.